The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Project Stakeholders Identification, Critical Process in Project Management. Our guest speaker for today is Raghuraman Kadambi, Senior Consultant and Principal Instructor, Project Management at Skill Global. Raghuraman Kadambi has over 17 years of industry experience. He is a certified project management professional and ASQ certified Six Sigma Black Belt. In information technology domain, he specializes in project lifecycle, customer support lifecycle, and product development lifecycle. He has played diverse roles, all critical and core to project, including implementation, migration, pre-sales, consulting, system analysis, system design and development, project management, product development, and training. He has been successful in managing an on-site and offshore relationships and has a 100% success rate in handling the projects. He has conducted many project management training sessions across industries. He specializes in project scheduling and has consulted organizations to develop their schedules. He is a consulting project manager and helps organizations manage projects to agreed project objectives. So, without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Raghu.
Thank you very much, Aradhana. That was some introduction. I would like to thank TechGig for giving me an opportunity to present the lecture on project stakeholder identification. I am honored and privileged to receive this opportunity. I also would like to thank all the audience. You have taken your time off from your work to attend this program. I hope there will be a good learning for you. And I understand this is a post-lunch session. I will try my best to keep you awake. Having said that, let's move on to our topic, which is project stakeholder identification, a critical process in the entire project management. All right. So the syllabus and the course structure. Let's take a look at what is being covered in today's session. There seem to be a little snag on the screens that I see and you will be seeing. All right, I believe the slide is up here that talks about syllabus and course structure. This is a tiny module in the entire project management. We will be covering who are project stakeholders in some time just now, and why are they so important in my project. And we will also learn how to identify them using a technique which is onion diagram. And also, one of the key things that is required when we do stakeholder identification is also to identify their communication requirement. And for that, we will have stakeholder test. Okay. And finally, we'll be talking about project stakeholder communication requirement, some tips, some pointers on what should be our approach. And we'll be ending the session with a Q&A. The designated time is 45 minutes, and for my presentation, 15 minutes is for your questions. All right, let's move to the next slide. Who are